welcome back everyone. We're back at the Optum Care Community Centers. It's me again, Ben Brock, and today I have Vicki with me. Vicki, I think we're going to be doing a cognitive exercise provided to us by Brain Savers Group. Is that correct?
Yes, we are. It's called Find 4 Words, or for you it might be 5 words, or possibly 6. Who knows? We'll see what we find.
Fantastic. Do we need anything? Should we grab a pen or a pencil?
Pen and paper. Yep, you're going to need to write. So
grab your pen and pencil. I'll go get mine, and we'll see you right back here.
Okay, everybody, now that you have your pen and paper, we are going to work a cognitive activity. We're going to work working memory. We're going to hopefully work recall memory. We're going to work concentration and speed processing. So we've got a lot going on here, but we're going to work that brain sweat and get that brain moving. So what we're going to do, I'm going to write a word here. We're going to do one as an example with each other. So as I said, it's called Find 4 Words. So I'm going to put a word on the board here, and we're going to start with the word tie. Okay, T-I-E. So finding 4 words, how are we going to do that? What we're going to do is you can take one more letter and add it to these letters. Any order, any letter, but just one. So for example, if I added the letter M to tie, what words could I make out of adding an M to tie? So the words that I come up with are, let's see, I'm going to do it in black so you can see here. So we've got time, right? And there's our M. What else? Maybe might. I'm a little tall for this board. I'm going to be in a squat position here in just a second. How about item? What else? Maybe emit. Okay, so does that make sense? So as you can see, all we did was add the M to tie, and we got 4 new words. So that's the basis to the cognitive activity that we're going to do. All right, so for our second word, everybody, we're going to go with M-A-T. Now, what I failed to mention is I'm going to give you 1 minute to come up with as many words as you can by adding 1 letter to M-A-T. Are we ready? All right, 1 minute starts now. All right, everybody, how'd we do? How many words did you get? These are a few that I came up with. So we have adding an E to Matt. I actually came up with 4 here. That was actually pretty easy. So if I added an E, I came up with mate, tame, team, and meet. But then also we've got some unusual ones here. So if I added an R, I could come up with tram. Math, I added an H. And mast, I added an S. How did you do on those? Maybe you got 2, maybe you got 3. Chances are you got 4, so that's awesome. So let's go to the next word. I'm just gonna actually turn this board around. So there's our next word, top, T-O-P. So what letter can you add to T-O-P in any order to make as many words, hopefully 4, as you can? You've got 1 minute. Go. How'd we do, everybody? How many words did you get on this one? Maybe one more than you did on the last one? Well, we'll see. This is what I came up with. So we have adding to top, T-O-P. Adding an S, which is pretty easy to do. We've got a lot of words that come up with adding an S. We've got stop, we have pots, we have post, spot, and then we also have ops, which is a different word, but that was a good one. And then these are two a little bit different. We've got port, so we added an R to that one. And then plot, adding an L to that. So again, how'd you do? Were you able to finish in time in that 1 minute? You've got one more chance. Let's see how you do on this one. The next word is going to be C. And we have S-E-A. So again, you're going to add one letter to this word in any order to see how many words that you can get in 1 minute. Last chance. Let's do it. Go. How'd we do? That minute's up. There's a few that I came up with on this. So adding a letter to C, S-E-A. So I came up with seat, adding a T. East, again, adding another T. So I just scrambled the words up a little bit. Seal, adding an L to the end of that. Teas, like our teas that we drink. Base, adding a B. Pace, adding a P. Seemed a little easy on that one. How about eats, adding a T and mixing up those letters again. And then we have sail down here, adding an L. So how did you do on this one? Did you increase your score a little bit? But remember, I want to stress too, it's not about how many you got, it's about working your brain. This is a really, really easy and fun exercise that you can do with your friends, your family. And if you actually found that three-letter words were really easy, then use a 4-letter word or use a 5-letter word. Just really challenge yourself. And the fun thing to do is actually challenge a friend or a family member and kind of go back and forth. But again, the most important thing is that you're working your brain. And we hope to see you again soon. Take care of yourselves and join us back again.